Did you know that bald eagles can see 4 to 5 times better than humans? They can spot their prey from over a mile away. Juvenile bald eagles are incredibly cute, with fluffy feathers and a playful demeanor. Their powerful beaks can tear through flesh, making them skilled hunters. They primarily feast on fish, but will also scavenge when needed. Bald eagles build massive nests, sometimes weighing over a ton. Their wingspan can reach up to 7 feet, allowing for graceful flight. They are known for their territorial nature, fiercely defending their space. Parenting is vital for bald eagles as they teach their young to hunt. Their keen eyesight is essential for spotting prey from great distances. They are apex predators respected by many other bird species. The bald eagle represents freedom, strength, and resilience in nature.